Hello and welcome. In this lesson, I will show you another scanner called Arachni, which is another free open source web application security scanner that will help you to find and discover security weaknesses. From the main website of the scanner, press download. Choose your version and let it download. In this case, I will install the Windows version. I have already downloaded the setup file, so I will cancel the current download. This is the setup file, so let's install the scanner. Give it some time to extract all the files. This will take a few minutes, so please wait. Arachni is a free good scanner that has been created to help penetration testers and administrators to evaluate the security of web applications. Automated scanners will make it easier for you to discover security issues in a short amount of time, and this will make it easier for you to hack the targeted web application. Okay, now we are over the 70%, so we will wait until it finishes. Here we go, all the files have been extracted to this folder. Now to open the web scanner, open the bin folder and search for a file named arachni_web.bat. Run this bat file and give it a few seconds to start. Here we go. The web scanner is listening on localhost with port 9292. All you need to do is copying this URL and open it in the web browser. As you can see, this is the Arachni scanner homepage. The default email is admin@admin.admin and the password is administrator. Okay, now we are in. Welcome to Arachni web interface. Let's try to start a new scan. All you need to do is to give it the URL of the targeted web application. In this case, I will scan this website, testphp.vulnweb.com. Copy the URL and go back to the scanner. Paste it here, then press go. If you got an error like that, don't worry. You just need to add HTTP before the URL. Press go again. Here we go. The scan has been started. All you need to do is to wait and give the scanner some time to perform all the tests against the web application. In this area, the scanner will give some information like the number of performed requests, time, and other information. Now you see that the number of performed requests is increasing, and that means that the scanner is working and doing all the tests. Now check the issues section. You will find that the scanner was able to discover some vulnerabilities. The scanner is sorting these vulnerabilities by severity. As you can see, the high section with the color red contain cross-site scripting vulnerability. The scanner will show you all the discovered vulnerabilities and it will give you information about each vulnerability. The scanner is not finished yet. If you give it more time, it will detect another vulnerabilities. As you can see, more vulnerabilities shows here. Remote file inclusion and SQL injection. I think that you now know that scanners will make it easier for you to discover a vulnerability in the targeted web application. Hope that you enjoyed this lesson. Thank you.